Now it's time to plate up our chicken cacciatore. We have our pasta. We have some angel hair here. I'm going to drain that. Okay. Put that on a nice big plate because this is a great comfort food. So go ahead and grab that, a couple of nice scoopfuls. More if you'd like, of course. Put that back in. And then we have our beautiful cacciatore here. So I want to set it aside. And then I like to serve 2 pieces. And this is a nice thigh here over the top. See how beautiful that looks? Nice leg. Remember, we've browned these and now we've braised them in this beautiful, beautiful sauce. Put that there on top. And I like to get a nice ladle and put some of these beautiful onions and bell pepper and mushrooms and tomatoes and tomato sauce all over the top, just like this. And you've got a nice hearty meal. Great for fall, but in the middle of summer this would do just fine. Bon appetit!